Want to make your videos more engaging without typing a single word? Stick around because in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add subtitles automatically in CapCut. Fast, easy, and 100% free. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and load your video. If you don't already have a project, create one by tapping New Project and selecting your video from the gallery. Once your video is loaded, tap on the text option at the bottom of the screen and then select Auto Captions. This will open a menu where you can customize your settings. Under the language option, select the language spoken in your video. CapCut supports multiple languages, so pick the one that matches your audio. Now tap Start. CapCut will analyze your video and automatically generate subtitles for the audio. This process usually takes just a few seconds, depending on the length of your video. Once the subtitles are added, you can customize them by tapping on any text box. Change the font, color, size, or even add animations to make your subtitles pop. And that's it! In just a few taps, you've added professional-looking subtitles to your video. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and check out more quick tutorials on Fix and Click. See you in the next one.